Good morning, my name is Sebastián Perez. I am 19 years old. I am from Colombia. I am from Bogota, Colombia. I live with my mother Victoria, my sister Angie, and my father Julio in Barbosa, Santander. I study pharmacy regency. I usually sell Netflix account. I love exercise because it's good my hair. I like to my hair. I like to drive a motorcycle. I and I like study. I don't like sleep because I'm a very active person. I don't like to be alone. I don't like hear people. I like uh, to have with my friends and having adventures. Um, I really like I really like s- spending time wa time with my girlfriend. I like when I visit her uh, every month. I like it when we eat together and we dance. My plans on the future are to fish and my study. Start working and improve every time in addition to this start my own business. I went to Santa Marta. I was very hot. Mm, my arms are hot of sun. I was um, I was I was in Santa Marta um, for one weekend. Mm, one of my future trips is to go the Amazon. Uh, I want to stay here for one week. Thank you.